room tour time. We have a cool room. We have room 6325. As you can see, we're on the elevators. So you get off the elevators and you go this way. You take a left, and then there is a door right there. This door is usually closed. So you walk into the hallway here. 6325. There's only 4 rooms in this hallway, so that's pretty neat. Let's go in and take a look. Okay, when you walk in, this is what you get. The bed is right there. So let's check that out first. Let's see what all we got here. Looks like we got a little dresser and table. Kind of light there. On both sides. Looks like the same. No USBs. It looks like. These movements provide an understanding of the muscles you'll use. Okay, to your left, have a couch. 2-person couch, that's nice. You have a mirror from the floor up. And then you have a nice desk area here. Looks like you got 2 American plugs. You got 1 European plug. The volume control, I'm assuming it's for announcements. You got the mirror. Got the light switch. Okay, TV. Oh, there's a dresser with the blow dryer, so that's good to know. Another drawer. Another drawer. Right here where the chair is. Little desk drawer there. Then you got storage. You got a safe. It's a little bitty safe. More storage. And you got a mini fridge. There you go. And then take a step back there for a second. And a closet there. Lots of storage, lots of hangers. Looks like light switch. Looks like you got to put a card in there in order to keep the lights on. There's your air conditioning. And now let's go in the bathroom. Where's the light switch? Oh, the light switch is outside. So, very cozy bathroom there. Got your storage over there. And then you got all the under storage. Let's see what that is right there. Maybe a plug for a blow dryer. I don't know. Interesting. And then your shower. Ooh, we do have a clothesline on this one. That's pretty cool. So you can hang your clothes up. It's definitely a 1-person shower. So, all right, that's your room. This is on the Mariner of the Seas, room 6325. Yeah, it's an interior room. It was a guaranteed interior room. So, once again, lack of USB ports. So make sure you bring those fancy plug-ins with no surge protectors. We'll link ours in the description. Hope this helps someone.